Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Dakajing ang note ban kentiaw ya ki nong rep bat kamtam ya ki self-help group. U MLA jong nong po constituency uba Merrill Bonds aim haga arterik unai weng arjar khat khandai ula play paj ba ya ki dukan ban penia yo ya ki mar ki mata bala penmi daki self-help group ya ka bala tip kerteng kum ka rural mart ka badon haga snong pahamri o jong ka snong ribhoi district. Kani ka rural mart kadai ka bala penyai daka khandai kentoi social and cultural organization but ya ka bala Beijing irapisa daka NABARD. Hagani kasngi lai don langru u general manager jonga NABARD u YK Rao u president jonga KKSCO uba Raymond Lungdo u president jonga NBCC uba Plela Tioso but ki wei ki riurang ba but ki officer balawan mi khman naga NABARD.
NABARD since its inception in 12 July 1982 if I'm not wrong. It has done a lot of great work in our state and in our country as a whole. As a bank which will look after to promote agriculture, to promote rural development, it is very important that we will rope in NGOs as we have already did. And there are so many SAGs also that we can rope in to be entrepreneur. Nowadays it is the generation that we have to give platform to all these SAGs. I have seen NABARD has been sponsoring in the past and it has been sponsoring now also. And here we are witness today for this beautiful program, this Rural Mart, where you have supported this SAG to pay their rent for this house and to pay the salary for the salesman or saleswoman here. It is a great help for them because we know there is potential in our village. There are highly potential craftsmen, these people who are making all this. I have seen now they gave in this basket also. It was well labeled and value addition is there. And we can see that we are moving towards the right direction.